Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can lock Facebook profile, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your Facebook app on your mobile phone. Now make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Now right over here, tap on your profile icon on top left. Now you will find your profile likewise right there, right? Go ahead, tap on this three dot beside edit profile, and then you will have various options given right over here. Tap on this option of lock profile, which will be given below the view as, and tap on this lock your profile. Tap on OK, and now you can see your profile has been locked, and that is how you do it. If you want to unlock it, same, tap on three dot beside edit profile, tap on unlock profile, tap on this option of unlock on top, tap on unlock your profile, and there we have it. Tap on OK and you're done. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.